Welcome to Kids Learning. We're so excited to have you with us today. Now, let's say hello to our friend, Mr. Blue. Do you remember him? Yes! But today, with the help of Mr. Blue, we're going to learn how mixing different colors creates new ones. All right, let's start right here. We're mixing red and blue. Can you guess what color we'll get? That's right, we get purple. So, mixing blue and red makes purple. Let's try another one. What happens when we mix blue and yellow? Yes, we get green. So, mixing blue and yellow makes green. Great job, kids! Now let's mix red and yellow. What color do we get? That's right, orange. So, mixing red and yellow makes orange. Here's an interesting one. If we mix red, blue, and yellow together, what do we get? That's correct, black! So, mixing red, blue, and yellow makes black. Now, let's mix red and white. What do you think happens? Yes, we get pink! So, mixing red and white makes pink. Great job, kids! If we mix white and black, what color do we get? That's right, gray. So, mixing white and black makes gray. And now, let's try mixing black with orange. What do we get? That's right, brown! Wow, look, kids! Mr. Blue has reached a beautiful field with a big rainbow in the sky. Can you see all the amazing colors? Let's say them together. It starts with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and finally purple. Now let's repeat them together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. We learned so many new things with Mr. Blue. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Make sure to join us next time for more fun and exciting lessons. See you soon, kids! Bye-bye.